We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. But it was my wedding day. We were getting ready and there wasn't a cloud in the sky. No clouds allowed in the sky. Bruno walks in with the mischievous grin. Thunder, you telling that story or mine? I'm sure. Bruno says it looks like rain. Why did he tell us? I'm doing so he floods my brain. Oh, well, I gets the umbrellas married in a hurricane. What a joyous day, but we don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. Fumbling, I listen to mom. Falling sand, shh, shh, shh. It's heavy in the family. It's so humbling, always in the family, fumbling. Good night. Understand, do understand. 7-foot frame, rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams and feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno. No, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me a fish would die the next day. Dead! No, no. He told me I'd grow a head, and just like he said that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my head. Your prophecy is resting. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on a vine. Would you mind saying he told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach? He told me another. It's like I hear him. Hey sis, I want not a sound out of you. I can hear him now. Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me truth and hope about Bruno. Isabella, your boyfriend's here. Time for dinner. 7-foot frame, rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Bruno walks in with the mischievous grin. Thunder, you telling the story or mine? Bruno says he looks like rain. Oh, well, I get the umbrellas married in a hurricane, and I'll be fine. Peace.